How are you all? I hope you all are fit and safe. Today I come back with a new video in which I'm going to talk about why you should buy Decathlon Domus T900C treadmill. Why you should buy this. So in this video I'm going to talk about this only, and this video the main topic which I'll cover is product details, the advantages of this treadmill, technical information, and uh, this is the three things which I'm going to talk about in this video. So first of all, let me tell you about this product details. The This treadmill is totally made for cardio fitness design. Matlab, it's totally based on cardio fitness design. Develop this treadmill for building your cardio and muscle strength up to 5 hours per week. The T900 treadmill is designed for regular high intensity running. It is the perfect ally for runners looking to improve results through indoor training sessions. So if we going to talk about the advantages, the first advantage of this treadmill is versatility. The maximum speed of this treadmill is 18 km per hour and the inclination is up to 10%. The second advantage of this treadmill is user comfort. The running surface of this treadmill is 50 centimeter wide by 143 centimeter long, perfect for long strides. The third advantage. The third advantage of this treadmill is coaching. 32 adjustable programs plus compatible with Domus e-connected app. That means you can connect this treadmill with this Domus e-connected app, and there you'll get to know about many things about these programs. So I think you should download this application when you are buying this treadmill. So the fourth advantage of this treadmill is compact design. This is totally fold up treadmill, means you can fold it easily, and that will not cover your lot of space. Means if you are lacking in this space, so that treadmill can be foldable, so you can fold this treadmill also. And if we are talking about the fifth advantage, the fifth advantage of this treadmill is assembly time. It will take only 45 minutes to assemble. Means that's not quite hard to assemble, just like other treadmill is. So this is quite a good point of it. If we so let's talk about its technical information. So the first technical information which I'm going to tell you about is weight and dimension. The size in use is size in use. The length is 185 centimeter, width is 88 centimeter, and height is 147 centimeter. The folded dimension, when you folded it, so how much area it will cover. So the when you have folded it, the length will be 133 centimeter, width will be 88 centimeter, and the height will be 150 centimeter. So and the weight, if we talk about the weight of this treadmill, is 89 kg. The box dimension of this treadmill is length is 156 centimeter, width is 77 centimeter, and the height is 28 centimeter. The box weight, how much the box weight will be? The box weight will be 98 kg. So you means two people can easily lift it. If we talk about the another technical information, the technical information will be motor power. Tested at its maximum speed of 18 km per hour for a weight of 130 kg. The T900 motor power is 1.44 HP and 1305 watts. That is which is quite good if we talk about in India. Means in the price of 62,999, if you are getting this much, so I think I should recommend you to buy this treadmill. And if we talk about average energy, if the average energy consumption is 370 watts for a user weighing 90 kg and running at a speed of 8 km per hour. So means that just impressed me. I think you should buy this treadmill if you are looking for new treadmill. The T900 console. So the another technical information about this treadmill is that console. The console is the most important component on our treadmill. At Domino's, we've worked hard to make it intuitive and informative. The backlight screen gives you a range of stats: time, distance, speed, average speed, calories burned, BPM, and a snapshot of your current run. So means and the another thing is 8 speed and inclination shortcut make it fast and easy to start your run, and are perfect for when you want a workout that changes up your pace. So means in this treadmill you get to know about means what will get in this console. The console will in the console will they will providing you the time, how much time you have spent in this treadmill, the distance, how much distance you have been covered when you means when you started running. So though, and the speed, how much your speed of yours when you are running, the average speed. The machine will show you about the average speed, how much calories you burn. So that will that and the another thing is BPM and a snapshot of your current run. So that is a, I think you should, if you are getting that much information in just one console, so that would be great, because I seen many treadmills, means not the Domino's Decathlon. I seen other treadmills. I don't want to take the names of those treadmills. They are providing these information in the rupees of more than 1 lakh, and these people are providing you only in rupees 60. How much price is that? 62,999. So that is quite good. If I wanted to buy, if I wanted to recommend anyone uh, for any treadmill, so I'll recommend this only. So the console option which you are getting in this treadmill is the T900 treadmill console. Offer various features to help you get the most out of every run. Side speaker and a 3.5 mm cable jack to plug in your device. Central fan, Bluetooth sensor to connect to the Domino's connected app. USB port to charge your device. Tablet holder, side pocket. So in this treadmill you'll also get speakers, because when we are running, so we need something in which we can hear some music, because music improves our means we'd like to do exercise when we are hearing music something, no. So and also you'll get a central fan. So you can also use it's a central fan if you are feeling so hot, so you can use central fan of it, and they're providing a USB port charger. So that's also good if your mobile phone is in your battery is dead, so you can charge a mobile phone also when you are running. So in this you also will get a tablet holder in which you can see the videos of how to do exercise, and also that is also good. And also you'll get a side pocket in which you can put your water bottle or protein shake something. So that's quite good. If we talk about its another technical information, that would be 32 preset programs. So in this you'll get 32 programs. There are 32 programs created by Domino's coach that have been preset into the console based on four goals: health and wellness, calorie loss and endurance, and interval training. Each program has a specific profile, duration, speed, and incline, so you can reach your goal and switch up to your workout. You can change the intensity at any time to suit your fitness level. So that's quite good if you're getting a means four programs. No, four, not four. Calorie loss, endurance, and interval training. So in this you'll get health and wellness, one, calories, 2, endurance, 3, and interval training. So you'll get four programs in which you'll get uh, 8 programs in each of these. So that's also quite good. If we talk about the connected treadmill, get motivated, reach your goals on just have fun by connecting your device to the compatible apps in connected or kind app, which with the e-connected you can set a weekly time, distance or calorie goal. Your performance is recorded and you can track your stats with the kind of app. Travel over real scenery in total synchronization with your device at your own pace or in challenge mode alone or with the kind of map community. You can have a unique experience. So that's also they are providing. If you means you want to set any particular goal or distance or weekly time, so you can also set those with the help of Domino's connected app, which is quite good, or also the kind of map community, so which you are providing a unique experience. So I think that's also a good advantage of this treadmill. So the another thing which you are getting in this heart rate monitor, the heart rate monitor, the T900 treadmill is equipped with heart rate sensor and comes with a heart rate belt, a more reliable method of measuring your BPM. Use this tool to track your heart rate during every workout. Please consult your doctor before beginning or restarting your physical activity. A professional trainer can also help to determine the appropriate heart rate ranges so you can reach your fitness goal faster. So that's also quite good because they are thinking about their customer, not about their treadmill. They just think about their customer. So that's why they are providing particular information that you should consult your doctor first before using this treadmill. The that thing I don't seen any particular particular treadmill owner, those who are providing this type of information. They firstly thinking about their customer, not about their treadmill. So that's quite good. If your BPM is high, so the machine will stop by itself. So that's quite good if you can see a BPM in this machine, which means which quite good. And I think that's also a good advantage of this. So next technical information which you are getting in this comfortable cushioning system. The cushioning system on the T900 treadmill has been designed to give you good thrust and bounce while also ensuring optimum comfort. Running on a treadmill help reduce impacts and is easier on the body. So comfortable cushioning system. The cushioning system of this treadmill is quite good and something bouncy, good thrust. So that's also good which helps you to run faster or for a long period of time. So that's also quite good. If you talk about the noise level of this treadmill, the silence is essential criteria and that we carefully consider when we developing our products. So we strive to reduce the noise our treadmill makes, so they are more enjoyable for both user and those around them. The T900 treadmill was measured at 52 dB at 10 km per hour without a user. It is one of the quietest treadmill in our Domus range. So that's also they are the information which they are providing is that this treadmill is quietest treadmill in the Domus range. So this is also a good advantage of this treadmill is that if the speed of this treadmill is 10 kilometer per hour, that time also this the worst noise level is 52 dB, which quite less. So means that means if you have any problem with the noise and something which create a headache, so that's also a good treadmill for you. Means if you are thinking to buy any treadmill which is not lots of noise which is so less in noise, so you should buy this. So if we talk about the storage, the T9